Today lecture I'm going to discuss how to use get class methods inside the Java programming language. So get class methods gives an object that contains name of a class to which object belongs. So this is the small point. So here I created the object ob1 with the new object constructor, and there I used obj and call the get class method. So this returned here class name, that is object, and this here class name return string, and there is the array list. And after that z class object, z is the class, z new z class string strs. So inside the str that contains z, and here get the class name. This all details here of project names, class name. Now let's run this code and check the output. Now there is no any problem inside the code. So here you can see java.lang, here object, and next is the class name string, and thereafter array list, and in the down here you can see this full detail. Here this the package name, and after that class name z. So this is the purpose to here use to get class method to get object that contains the class to which object belongs.